Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about NumPy array iterating. Iterating means looping through each element. So in this case, this is B is an one-dimensional array and we are looping through each of the element of B. So here we are using for loop and we are printing each x. Here each of the element is printed here. In 2D array it will print like each of the 1D array as one element. So here it will be printing like this. So this 1D array as one element, this 1D array as one element. In 2D array, 3D array, it will print a 2D array as an element. Here this 2D array and this 2D array. So in this way we can print the array elements. If we want to print the array elements in for each of the elements without the 2D array or 1D array, we have to do inner for loop. So for y in x, for z in y, we have to print z. In this case it will print each of the element. So it will print each of the element of this 3D array. But there are some times where we do not know how many dimensions are there in the array, or there are difficulties when this is a very large dimensional array. So in this case we can use here, that is x equal to np dot nd iter. So the function is nd iter of d. Print x. This nd iter will print each of the elements separately. For example, so this nd iter do the same thing without any inner for loop. So in this way we can print the each element using nd iter. So there are some times when we want to convert the data type of this integer to string or any other thing. So in this case nd iter do not change this to directly, can change to another data type. So here we have to use another parameter, that is op types. So here array, then it will do the things in buffer. So we have to set the buffer as flex equal to buffered then op d types equal to, that is string. So here it will convert it to string and then store it into buffer and return the string variable. So here all of these are buffered and these are the string variables. Now when we want to iter with different step size, that means skipping only one items. So for example, this is we are doing for a 2D array C. mention that all of the item from the first dimension and from second dimension it will start from the starting, end at the ending, and the step equal to 2. So let's see what happens. Missing this bracket, so skipping one element, it is printing the elements of this array. So 1, 3, 5 and so on. So for starting to ending of the first dimension, from starting to ending from the first dimension with iteration step 2, it will printing the variable x. Now if we want to know the position of the variable, we have to use the function enumerate. Enumerate will print the id of x, and then from x we will print the id x and x. So it will print the position of the element and then the element. So we are using nd enumerate. So in this case the result will be, so it is a 3-dimension array, 0 0 0 1 2 2 and like this. If it is a 2D array, it will look like this. So this is the position 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5, then 1 0 1 1 and so on. So it will see the position of the element. Now in case of 1D array, it will print like this. So 0th position, first, second, third and so on. I think you all understand. Meet you in the next video. Till then, practice with nd enumerate, nd iter and iteration through the array of numpy array. And if you find any difficulties, let me know in the comment section. If you find it useful, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching this video.